Hello, 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 hello. And I welcome everyone to this beautiful platform. And then, so just as we all know, today is a Friday, so we are going to learn a whole lot about the things in. We are going to learn a whole lot about the things in the Bible, and we are going to relate it to our lives. And now teaching, since you know you be there, there are less prayers and more teachings. But this time around, I know say a lot of you would want to know, and you might be brave, and I say, nipa be brave, person almost share Bible, no not Bible say. Now who knew ma who nyame asemu. Now so it's me I follow, so you be able to tell your children about, mommy please the. Okay. So the way I will be able to also tell your children about it. So the way I will beat me I catch so the way I will beat me in your leisure times. So the way I will bompire will beat me. It didn't nyame asem so they are bompire. Inti ayana Fridays yeah, the very more of teachings about life, relating it to the Bible. Na enyemenya atimi akoyi. Inti ye topic no. Ejina say be bold enough to love the ones who can tell you the truth. Be bold enough. Be bold enough to love the ones who can tell you the truth. And only a topic, Being bold enough to love the ones who can tell you the truth. And I deny some so Second Kings. You start here First Kings, the last chapter near the Second Kings. You better to as well say a lot of you better say and you maybe I say being bold enough to love the ones who can tell you the truth. In our part of the world today, most of us have become sycophants to bootlickers, to the people we can get a lot from, especially when you are with a person, and I say when you are friends with somebody who is up there, when you are friends with somebody who is perhaps somebody you look up to, somebody who sees you as a younger brother, a boy, mommy, that's why I love you. Okay. All right. Especially when you are close to someone whom you feel say nipa no hu as ne subordinate, ne prodigy, ne PA, ne na downful, but a young friend, and as somebody will be able to work with peers, but ebi na wunni sika enu sa nipa no a level. Are you bold enough to tell the person the truth? And I say it's better you tell a white lie to the person, making that person believe say everything he or she does is good. Yeah, that is what most of us do. Buhon ma obe penny bi obe oni obi nenam. Bu okra wo ye sofo. Wo ye sofo a woni eraba bi nenam. Obi jini. You are not able to tell the person the truth, but you want to go this way in order to have your way. Any idea? It's a lot of times who say people worship people unnecessarily. Nah, just because we so many be free nipa no. And also no cry. Eseso catch the nipa no, one can't no. She said nipa no cry kwa koto de chi mo say wow, I love this topic. And I was like, mommy, good morning. I was like, good morning, mommy, good. Good morning, my daddy. Bo kwa nipa no cry kwa koto de chi mo. Nipa no cry is making a lot of mistakes, and you have seen them. Mommy, I want to discuss something with you. But yes, if you want to discuss, I would have to finish. I am in the pulpit, me preaching, and nobody discusses anything with me. So if you want to discuss anything with me, fine with me, but please leave it in my my WhatsApp page. Send me a voice message, or if you want to type it too, you're welcome to do so. I will listen to it, or perhaps read it when I close from here. na I'll answer you in the morning in due time. Okay, God bless you. But please, when I'm preaching, because I don't know, most of you, you can see me preaching, and yet you want to ask me a question. Most of you will also be sending me questions up there. Mommy, I want to speak to you. It's very urgent. Oh, so you ask yourself, do I have to stop what I'm doing to attend to only you? That's unfair. So please, when I'm teaching, when I'm preaching, when I'm in the pulpit, when I'm sitting here, if we've not started, and there you can ask anything, but please, when I start, please respect me enough, or even if you do not respect me, fine, but respect the God in whose position I stand here to allow me to finish, so that when I finish the program, we can talk, okay? But if you tell me you want to speak to me, that's very much unfair, because I won't even give you a listening ear. Thank you so much for being patient with me. And so, yes, you see a lot of people who are friends with people. It could be your friend. It could be your friend from perhaps the university, a friend whom you lived with in a vicinity or a community together at some point in your life. Adisa, so come miss you. They don't fridge kese. And so you see them. We see ourselves telling people lies, pretending that whatever they do is right, and making people feel as though they don't make mistakes. Or at times we could even see some things with them, and I said we could hear some perhaps a message or something. God could decide to tell you something. God could send you, or you could have a dream about someone, but instead of you to tell the person exactly what you saw, some people would want to sugarcoat it. Okay, all right. Some people would choose to sugarcoat it. Somebody could also hear some things from friends or people, rumors about a friend. And because you know that person is the one taking care of you, now what that and now what pretending to who pass what done for no, why young quasiade, but don't mean country. Who pass what done for no my way, and shut down go ye. But you feel if you tell the person the truth, you'll be hurting Nipano. So you tend to be telling a lie or be sugarcoating things. To be say now don't bother. Don't mind them. Live your life. So you see, friends, you are friends with a baby. Nipano is very promiscuous. Obi honma or pay drama in some. Obi honma or your bema, but opema pa. Dear warrior no. Why Oscar? There be a house in the car front. And a woman sika kakranti. Instead of you to tell that person the truth and say, what you are doing is not good. Change your ways. Or he Solomon cry or worried 700 and or worry of train plant 300. What that for you soon on your Solomon? When you pass on your Solomon. And so I can't cry children. Or he Solomon, or the sound him like show maybe who toy. Who to bosom so? Who to bosom so? A man of our will be brave. Will be out in the bosom by. Actually, no. Who to bosom so? It's a papa. It's not a good example to say. People telling people, boys and all that done. It's a lot of people, a lot of us, and so on. Nipa be brave pencrofwa. One beka, or beji on so. To animal now. We Jimmy Crab so hey, oh dear, when you deal, hey, tell them your mind. Hey, men feel more. No, there's nothing they can do about it. Then you know, say, no confuse. Kakra obedinti. You have to tell a lie. Now, if you're going to be brave, me bajo. Oni obi adamfo. Oni obi enua. Oni obi ebusua. Obro no so. Ana so obi wo akora obro so. Enso hu se wo ye bibi na nya. Ana se wo hu ne ho asem bia. Wo te ne ho asem bia. Ka asem kro no no kore wo mu no. Itina be bold into what's what you be bold enough to love the people who tell you the truth. Obi one, there are lots of people they don't like enkofo or beka semna sin and him say no, this is it. The way one ye obi nipa bebre impesa enkofo omo dada. Be bold enough to tell the person. Anybody who knows me well, make her well. Anybody who knows me well, both on social media, you don't necessarily have to come closer to me to know I am a very principled person. I will tell you how it is. I don't sugarcoat words. I don't pretend. I will tell you how it is. Because the truth is, the word of God doesn't pretend. It doesn't sugarcoat things. It just you might think that you are saving your friend. Oh, let me put it in a nice way. Yes, in saying the truth to your friend, you can put it in a nice way. To not catch and say, oh, I did a weedy. As a wee Jimmy. So when you a weedy, and ya had to send Quasiasamo. I'll cacrab anymore. It wouldn't sound so annoying. What's I say? I said, now because, hey, I did a weedy. There be another. The approach also matters, but be bold enough for you also. So you also be bold enough to tell your friend the truth. And you also be bold enough to love the people who tell you the truth. Love the people who sugarcoat things. Who are 96 years, or 93 years. Then so on can assembly walk who's as way. As I say, my position in this case, and shut down in Koyi. Next one to me in country, why you didn't pretend BBI all right. No, Sancrophone, they are dangerous. And yes, so I done for one in a more. Or can't send Papa baby found. A woman is in a chicakra. The busi and some more kafa. A woman shed them kakra. Neja phone 200 said you're recording somewhere on your bidding como. I walk a found. A honor will be truth, because we'll be a honor, one crop for any mono, or cano cran, Eddie do what them cry the count. That's why when him no, he or she is not able to tell you the truth. And also, companies are maybe a bit more as a woman. Oh, no. Why I want to say, I was so why I want to say the answer, ubu bia enti yentufo na sebe o nam saa imperifo bu baby say ohe a yentunifo no obekọ bedwam no na sebe ne ntuma ate toilet no de na hwan na nkoka say yellow are obi anim say de papa edi ko ye cheda nko yi na so se wonya we wan hwe na akobie wa no ye twa amene na yi a wo hye no ne ntuma ana ne trousers ebi kwa na wo hye by toilet no de na obi ehu so intimi nka nkyerem enti wo so no hu se woni nkrofo ho na de bia no siko fancy ne ya do so ya hwe yie wa wonim se woni mema ye nsem bebre wa wonim se wo sabi wo jimi kakra wo ye be ma wo wi nsa bebre bi wa wo sheda wo ya azan wo ye corruption so na nkrofo bi gina ncho se akozi wo de wani adi o akozi ya wo de wani adi o hwe de mpesem ncho se before say ye kanfo du afro ne ye kanfo wa chacha wo de azie wo food ya tenten na nkrofo gina se no se ye yawo ya why ya de fu ubo hu se kiko no wate aba fom na wo te ba fom to obi anim se wachi na ebo fom ti wachi bo abo se be hu na no ya achacha oni ma achacha hunchback enti ya kan food ya afro ne ya kan fo achacha eto de bia wo ya no ahwe wachi ka ehuma na ya mausumi ya kasa nkyerɛw ena me no besua nyame asɛm bi tito bo as pay attention and listen to every bit of it also pa this time me person musua nyame asɛm na mo hu nyoma wo hu so sɛ nyoma bi bia wo nyame asɛm mu bi na wo to na mo bia weti betu ni enti patroti ni ene yesua ye ko first Kings we are starting from first Kings 22 and I because second Kings 1 and 2 no if time allows us and then the year monpa ye bibre nti and then ye besua de more It's about you pay attention and listen to it. It would tear because when I finish, I'll ask questions. When I finish, I'm going to ask questions. So please listen to it and listen to it. Yeah, I fear to ask. God bless you.
Na Syria ne Israel tena ho mfie miensa oko bi ni wontem. Na fie to so miensa mu no Yuda hene Yehoshaphat sane ba Israel hene nkyɛn. Na Israel hene ka kyerɛ ne nkoa sɛ munim sɛ Ramoth Gilead boye na yɛndie yɛti hokom na yɛnyim firi Syria hene nsam. Wo bisa Yehoshaphat sɛ woni me bɛkɔ Ramoth Gilead sa ana. Na Yehoshaphat bia Israel hene no sɛ meti sɛ wo me man te sɛ wo man ma pɔnkɔ te sɛ wa pɔnkɔ. Na Yehoshaphat ka kyerɛ Israel hene sɛ bisa Awurade asɛm ne ɛna Israel hene boaboa difoɔ no ano wɔbɛyɛ mmarima 400 na obisa wɔn sɛ menkɔ Ramoth Gilead menkɔko anaasɛ menyae na wɔka sɛ forokɔ na Awurade de bɛhyɛ ɔhene nsa. Ɛna Yehoshaphat bisa fo bia ni ha bio a yebebisa ne ho ade. Na Israel hene ka kyerɛ Yehoshaphat sɛ obarima baako bi da so wɔ hɔ a anka yebetumi abisa Awurade afiri ne nkyɛn. Na so meta no efi sɛ ɔnhyɛ me ho nkɔmpa sɛ bɔne nko. Ɛyɛ Imlaba Mikaia. Na Yehoshaphat sɛ ma wɔ hene nka saa. Ɛna Israel hene frɛ Jasini bi. Na ɔkan sɛ ma Imlaba Mikaia nuru hantem. Na Israel hene ne Yuda hene Yehoshaphat tete wɔn hima so hyehyɛ wɔn tadeɛ. Samaria pon ano mpraeɛ so. Na di
Hello, Pacho bi atie ni ye pa. Ai ma membo mu kakra bi na afi yento aso. Na second Kings, First Kings 22. First Kings the last chapter no. 22. Na Ohen Ahab. Why na kai Ohen Ahab? Wa obe kai Ohen Ahab no. Ohen Ahab ye obi a. Wono ne yire any Jezebel. Wono ne yire any Queen Jezebel. Omumie no omubo mu anase ne yire no ekum Naboth eje ne vineyard. Na Elijah na wono na ye omo prophet a wote sa o man so then share won hu kom say Ohen Ahab because he has stood aloof and watched the wife kill Naboth because of the vineyard that belonged to Naboth and you know we ni ya this is man and o ka kire Elijah so make kan kire wo hen ni say because of what he and the wife Jezebel has done no enu no omo mienu omo bewu na omo wu no o kire omo the way they are going to die if he said they yekum Naboth na emwa edi no edi ne body no saa na ono so obewu na ono so owu a enkraman and the better free ni moja eno ka ho bi and Jezebel the queen then queen and still two Elijah eso esa and as o hwehwe o pese o pese you know in a quest to kill him I no tie my Elijah free mine so ekotena nwuram. Now I'm sure say you know a lot about that one. I do baby because God even sent a bird to feed Elijah. That was how close God was with Elijah then. And see Edru baby and we say 3 years for 3 years in Syria and Judah and Israel there was peace amongst omunyina but not the land na Syria for occupy no Ramoth Gilead for there Israel for there. And for 3 years there was no war between them. They lived happily. And one day the king Jehoshaphat, who happened to be the king of nti ono so buy Judah for him nti ono so buy oba obesra ohen Ahab nti obesra no na okache ni say asasi Ramon Gilead the belongs to them the Israelites, so he wants to go and then take a year of it. Now obusa the king Jehoshaphat say obekwa akugya na no na Jehoshaphat say ono de obekwa because why to say ni why to say na bush ni bibia na so obekwa ene omusa nyame it should tell you say him falano Jehoshaphat na ugina. At that time, not Jehoshaphat, they know a young man, but he was a king. And Ahab, they know a nyikakra. Ahab was the king of Israel, and Jehoshaphat, king of the Judah, king of Judah. And he oba no catch no catch one day bakwa but almost nyame ansa. Na that time, now we hear Ahab, now we priest tie priests asofo edifo maako 400 no mo twa ne ho nyina ehia enti o decide say ene obefre na edifo no enti ofre na edifo ni nyina na obusa wo say opese oko take oko take over the land of Ramoth Gilead eyomo dia na so sesia no de the occupants omo wo so sesia no ye Syria for. Until he wanted to like until now mo person money omo ekokontokwa ko di omo so no mo fa asase no until obusa say omo kwa okwa obewini ana so omo ko war na omo bewini ana ehwa na ai edifo no ni ho ahia no omo nyina say oh nana na we po obusa ye de ha ho we wini kura wie ubewini one time until ko but Okansano, the king Jehoshaphat, no ye king of the Judah for he was not convinced. It will Busane say, it would ninyame papa di phobia wa. E didn't ya. To whom say yes, a di for was as so. But where said the woman no call ben cromuno. God doesn't do things like that. And you may be one more some clarity bikaka. Or bet church on you may be who you may say bonny be woman, ya may be yachero. God doesn't just give you approval of everything. Oh, go. Oh, go. Oh, go. No. That's not God. Nyame obechero. Enti se bibi honma. No hene se. Person obeti ya ene no wa yi achero. Na mu mo yi chero na akọ se anye yi na o de fa odifo bi so. O de fa ne baby so. Na o ka chero. Na se we ntie na ne okọ na abewu a obewu. Enti there are a lot of people I can confidently say omo wu then so obi wo kra obi ka kire ne ko she da fanya ase ya wan fanya ase ntinipa no be wu so ampa enti adifo na etwa ne ho ahia ne nyina ti ya ka se adifo etwa ne ho ahia wa kire sen na kire sen krofo bi wo ha si they were sycophants kakra omo be dinti they were stomach prophets. God sent an angel to change their tongue. Don't you be do on yet. Enti na di for na twa ne ho nyina o di for na twa ne ho ahia. Na so mo nyina decide say oh any nyina yen ka say. So mo nyina kan no here have say what? Say me can say dem ko amedi nkoni. But the king Jehoshaphat was not convinced. It was smart said e bi. Enti enya obi a. Ye nya me papa di for ba ko bi ono de obeka no kra no wa che no say me say. Obi ho a friend me ka na so sa kwa no won ka me ho asempa won hia me ho nkompapa bi ada de opese o kire nyina ne se sa nipa no on sugar coat o sugar coat west bi amfama no on kan atro sem nkire no won hia da anka sem bi e be mani tiri mu aye ne de won hia da fabricate stories bia won hia da fabricate dreams bia me kan nkire no. He says the things enti ono so na ne bo afu no say owura bi wa hanom me say ya friend me kaya ono so ye nyame di for pa na so no kwase me de me mpenasem o kan pay o say me mpenasem. Be bold enough to love the people who tell you the truth. So na you too Be bold enough to tell your friend, to tell the person you are with, to tell that boss of yours, to tell that pastor of yours. Uncle Fred guess ba. So for no small na Uncle Fred guess ba. So for no wouldn't even girlfriends nyina. That's what na say the truth is you are not anything. If anything, you are killing your own self. Oh. You need go here now. You know the network idiot. But we have to manage it because it's answer to the beer. That is a soft be wow and no honor, growing papa or nyadi papa. Boy, boss, I'm fair and a power boon pa. But soon's our bossy. And you my way in that said Uncle Ye. What Timber can a year whom some ya did sit out. And so these things. I thought we are secretary being in an office. Papa we ba no abeka chose na yiri nhwe na yiri say. And so in the same office no, who say Papa we na bra boda bia ma ba kosa. Woni wada for baby na waware, wo chimpran krofo ne de da, boda no nam no mo no akọ baby ne e chigu so. Na wo so didi no wani ije. And so you know pefe say wada for no waware. You know unnim pefe say wada for no. De wo ye na here. Na so no ye din na o jije ne so. Oh, de why luck you, de why luck you, the person catch us and Yametri Kenya. One now, on the Bible said, dear, hinted behind the baby, dear, none is so about only one so Bible says, son said, won't him no crown on our year, bonnet, and say, Bonima, Yameda boom, patch. It's a total be a would you be a chi, Mamma say, Major. I didn't who we asked and says, would you be a chi? Let's say, Nipana, you may be and fuck him. There's one can be answering. One man answers, one man who said you are in ya. The woman said, Nipana, the enemy Chamako. Name won't you say a ban or coaching? And on him, Berman, you didn't say anything. Now, maybe Berman will be. It's as simple as that. Say what down for Bear may be in a hand and I'm not watching Pana. And obi beka say wo jimi saa ko e na ane nenam e na huntimi nka nokora ne nkire na nyame bema wo nso wo bema no wo nso ba o misade ko na wadafo no ye bia yawo ana obi so ba be fa wo nso yire wadafo bi fa wo bi enkrofo yire no wo ne da bia nso no ayedi wo dwe say you are keeping your wife wo saa na nyame bema wo bi so asi akire na say de wadafo no ne enkrofo yire no modeda na you didn't say anything because you were a sycophant wo tafre ni shoe baba ne shoe na say hey, wait dear hair, we pa Milan, chef, we Italian shoe and casa papa so be you 1 year, no a year mounty. You are so happy about it until you don't want to say you tell him the truth. You don't want to tell him the truth. And you don't want to tell be any pan. Want to make us friend. And so no idea when I go for a guess, Iba. Na yire so ebu pa pe wasem. And so now friend pa manico. You are a pimp. Which will be a original club gator, no? Now watch a show for. You are a pimp. Young money memena. They have become pimps. And no nina mo pe mam crofo mo pe mam crofo. Any idea? You have become a pimp. Just like you pimped somebody into a relationship. Somebody will also pimp your wife. Somebody will also pimp your girlfriend. Somebody will also pimp your husband. Somebody will also pimp your boyfriend to another person. Certain man I dear you know. Now you don't see any power with an engine. Now so we will be what is habia. Who are the Bonia would will be a cheat. Nani Panea Bonina, you were not enough. I wouldn't say we say you were not wise enough to tell your friend to his face said your way and was as a bra. So your man meet me you. And if you walk around diki. Walk around will suffer penny and then be I know some hours of Ketwa. And my mother say yes to about a champion. Yes to about the only fire to crown 20. Peter num Paul num a farmer say Philip num. Omo ba chempna ena busa ho se ne bone ahoro a ya nani pati nyame na ase a ye di se na bible na ewo musa. So people are doing that with impunity. And obi gira sorry dem odi kwase asem san onim se sofo gas here kwafo fa na wa ko gira ho na wo se Uji truth. Uji truth, baby. What truth? And I obey was actually no. What truth? And I obey was actually no. To actually be bien apart from home. If you say, yeah, to me be a 2 minute session, a drama home. Now, software idea to no one will leave it by 8 in him. At the idea, no turning out, tell you what. So if you love someone, be bold enough to tell that person the truth. If you are with somebody, be bold enough to open up to the person. What does the Bible say about this thing? Now, Fidi, one can of church and so forth. What kind of so and your man, we no question me. Boss, so no, me booba. And so, your man, me bow now yet, me come on to me. I am not happy with it. With me pouch, Miss Jai. What kind of barco? With all humility, when yai. Will boss me, what catcher no, when yai. Wonderful be, what can come out judge. I won't be part of this, when yai. Akosia, I won't be part of this, when yai. Kwaku, media is with them, sans the moon with them, because my country, the more would you be it. So come on, not to say, make the man can hear you. Me know I hear you. The more the corner will catch any panna. I won't person be catch any panity why you did. Sans or Hena Beba also. Half also. Bible said to us, we can't over town. Your uncle Fobu, how much Jimmy, we are ye. Now, could you know, we can say, what on Sacra? You know, go to down on Tranemo. It is one year of Besacra. Don't be seen with the person. Also, Bishop, what's the name? Bishop Osumemba. Oh, no, that. Or no, a father fool, or foul bow. Now, when I give you one hour, or catch on the way, or bed denounce so. No, I tell you, no, I catch you some minutes. Baby, the back of the and Penny Foka, let's show me your friend, and I'll show you your character. If you have a casa, what you want to say, but because you are not able the truth, if you are known in a hotel, who are known the question, my who are known the question, men, who are known the coding consent, what would you Wapon Befa say, Bessin Kodami office, who take care of one or another for Korea car ties, not the abegum. Whatever Korea, we know the ababe was to me and go. I know you, then so you are an accomplice. So if you love someone, be bold enough to tell that person the truth. If you love someone, be bold enough to tell that person the truth. And you too, be bold enough to listen, to take it, to take the bitter pill. Obu ho pe wasam, person no nanti na so pese. Oba kan okre na kire no. Nti da bia na nkrofo esi kofansi. Ye nkrofo bi wa be ho na nkrofo atwam ho ahia anya hwe ekom enti ubeza nkrofo tafreta from now. Papa yi Jimmy. Ah, wo bia betimi aka kire papa ese papa. Dia wo ye enkwase asem. But because obenya sika kakra nti, hey boss, the how fine. Hey boss here. Boss Jimmy kwasa. Kopim se obehu se boss nya yes. Na dachi, na bebe busa ne moja free ho because na woni nukura no wanka nukura no. Afa kire. Na wo hen no di. Na woni modifo bi asa odifo no di. No nim se o ka nukure. Nenso na wo fele se nukure ka na wo ka no. It doesn't favor him. Because he doesn't say anything good about me. What is that, Papa? We on share. Any me bewu, any me be yare. Na me so obehwe, na me so obeku, na me so obebutu. Eno kwa na oka. Etubo se ne wa ye din, enti e say one person nipa sa, o penkrofo e begege ne so. Enti na di for 400 ni nyina ka bom. Told him a very big fat lie and he accepted. Enti ho Ena Jehoshaphat, the king of Judah, a catcher and baby. Oh, baby, and he didn't casa. And some people from. Then he panning himself, baby. Sandy obi from because in Crawford, you hear on the air. Who will be a kind of crowd in the air? Who will be a son or kind of crowd? Who obi didi we nansia nkrofo mo didi nkrofo nansia ne ade aya he o mafu aya he o mabrabo aya da bia bo se wo butibi jabodju se fie bi ne ade. All respect to mo jabodju se nyane sa na pesa me kire but the pesa me kire e to de bia da there's always something I could be who about nkrofo o mo ye sycophants enti obusa se dey bi odi fo papa bia na e bi o say oh ba ko bi wa ha o na Sani bana de me mpena se if you sani bana nka me ho asem papa bia no so sa ba ho de ye nko friend ma wa no de America no nko friend na tie asam nipa wo ko friend me kai se makai amra na ohin pese wo hu no esan se ohun se wo mo echa ohin ho ahie nyina e ka no kore e ka twa wo hin tro nti won so ka chen se hwe pacho the woman say wo here di for na twa ne ho ahia ni nyina aka kire ne say obekwa okwa obewi ni okwa wo na obewi ni obe take control ba chew the other person say me gina ho bi na me hu say the ohin na ni hye da anye ho sa because ohin feel say da bia wo hye ne ho kom papa it we there for once ukwa the we nu maka no so kofo aso bia wo baby a na set trap amount say would this so the obia beka because everybody is telling a lie because everybody is preaching in a particular praying in a particular way because certain people are dressing in a particular way so who dresses are na just so you crazy who dresses are na just so who nimi nyame who nka sa ansem na omo kan bia na just so na no crowd obi ka chensa mame why don't you preach in English? If you preach in English you'll be much more acceptable when I'm saying you watch it. Opa mo fra me baby e kan English no se me nkotutu ahohom antu osofu pani na ahohom free ni mu ana. Somebody was telling me preach in English because so Felice I will be much more acceptable in the English fraternity as in say me catchy na me catchy I mean say I'm a local person me local we say na omo ye hwe Christosum ye no kwaredi Christosum has nothing to do with language. Obi aka krom kasa obi aka ay kasa obetimi disseminate enti obi won ma say Ghana hanum asofo no mo ka ibrofo no de omo ya asofo papa asofo no mo ka twi no omo nya asofo papa. Don't be deceived. Obi ya azan ya azan obi nya azan nya azan de wo mu no say ye wa asofo ni bebre ya wo mo ka brofo omo ya azan obi so wa na fu penti no di gina ho hwi ni mu ani e wo bi so hanuma okachi ono so yanza eti ade ne ya cha ne pepepepepe obi bisisi obi eti so obi hu obi na so obi say don't do deceived. Christos sumun shadanye appearance bebrez how e shada fan wo. It has nothing to do with language. It has nothing to do with the way you look. It has nothing to the way. It has nothing to do with the way you use jargon. So the determination of the pattern of the DNA is the. And then go for baby you cannot stand up papa na can walk why you confused. People want to accept the things that one cast by themselves want to accept as a no na norm. Okay, 2 Timothy. Was he a bedroom baby? Nipa ba ya wo bepe wo ankasa won kire be mo won akomam ene waso aye won de enti obi pese yes you shall be well this year things are going to happen to you as of was start cancer answer me kire wa ememu how many years ni abaza Christosum has nothing to do with language nyame in any language in Swahili in Bia nyame hu ye adwuma adwuma. Enti wo ka kire ne se ori fo mekaya na botre wo ko nyina no nyame se eyi nkrofo ne wo ho no kwase mo nyi oni enti me ba be fro me de me tia wona so keke wo kwa pretend na so de omo so kan wo de nyame kura kasama foforo kura kire wa go and say another thing. It's a wo kura de nyame kura ka bia because the people do not even trust in you. Don't go and say something ebema papa na ka say we on pema semampa into whatever they say you second it. They can say yes or he have God will give the country to you. It's Ramon Gilead will be yours. ti wankasa ena okoe okoko dru hope Bible say wo connect so okodru na ohen no woni ohen Jehoshaphat omo nyina tete o mahen we mo hyehye omo ntade eti ye se de o hwe na nkrofo atwa wo ho ahia na D4 400 nso e wo ho na asojafo ne asrafo ne ade wo ho no ono anso hu se ohen ne hye da mpenas eti odru ohen ne busa ne se aha ye ko me ko and what do you think me ko Ramon Gilead akwaji asase no because it belongs to me eti me kwa odwe ho se we shall me win here. Oh no, see, oh, he. Oh, why win here? You win finish. Go. Why no hina or no or hina no see. Win penasem. Or say hey. Media makacho men me cham intro. Kanu krene woman and kasa challenge na be cham intro. Kanu krene woman. I didn't no hina kasa. Kanu krene woman because or hina kasa. Listen, I did be hona wo ye na se nkoya. Even if nobody tells you say what you are doing is not good, you can sense it within you. Say, I say I've been too harsh. I say I've not been fair. I say I deal with me so. I say Debbie, I said nipa ya me kofa ani obeya me kofa ani manyade be me ya me kofa ani manyade kese se me free me kwanchi kese se me free yo enti Debbie o wakoye bone wakoye you obi ade so you want somebody to come and tell you say why you bone you will be convicted. The Holy Spirit is that spirit, that small spirit inside you. He will convict you. Obeka cho said you na yen kwasa asem enti tell Debbie na you just want people obi enu asem. So no so he said he need me na ne o he said I if you omo nyina yakosokoso no a omo frɛ no na omo nyina ate on ma said we are waiting to hear what you are going to say. You talk ni ehwe obi kan na so pa cafe wo de opa talk mi ehwe wo pa talk mi ehwe e ho apa ho di o say na ko na obe wini a na o de ko na obe wini a the person say ho no let just so o de amemene mfimu and the kind he was pushed to tell you a lie. I thought I be so about me push you adafu bia ma on kan okura nkyerɛ wo ehunti obi wakura obusa wasoma ha say aha maame enti ade wa me ya oje ho say oje no ai wanim say o ono meka say yellow are ono meka say blue are ono meka say wo de wo ye na enye wan ka say wonim say de wo ye na nkwase asem you are waiting on him, you are waiting on her to tell you say nkwase asem no wan ka say wo de you will never support me in anything, you never support now. Be bold enough to accept friends who will tell you the truth. Be bold enough to accept people who will tell you the truth to your face. Be bold enough to love the ones who will tell you the truth, not the ones who will sycophant, will bootlick you and pretend you are doing everything right until time runs out. And someone will say, "Sena de mi yina sena chedan koyi na fina are you too late?" To go say nana oh why we near you forget say you win you drew huh yeah and just how he need na ho say ma kasa kwa we on kasa papa bia on so be chairman to e wa no say wo de kanokura na kasa che on say oh sa men kanokura na nkyere wo de a ane nyame abie mani na me hu say Israel fo nyina wo mo ne na mepo so na mepo na wo nam so no wo master na say wo mo hwesofo no wa yira ama omu nyina ayira ena amai te se nwan a omu ni hwesofo ena nyame ka kire wo se meti ni se e ka kire wo so omu san wo machi nkofi so kire ni se ai mi hu se e ko na wo kɔ no ye bekun ama wo dom na ho ne omu kɔ no wo be ye nyanka wo dom na wo di omanim no they will be left without anybody to da bia wo ye nioma bi na nyame aso da ye no wa ya so branch ye wo di nkwase asem na nyame aso da ye fiewra bia okowu edroso wachi ko nroso sa edroso no ko wuye minnimu se me ka kire Mrs. Solomon ye nro na yire no mkofa ba he na wagito abosom na so no wuto he nti to da bia obi nwumo se ye ka huntie no da bi na obi hu nti to da bi na obi ka no kure kire wadana se ni pe bia obe ho ka no kure kire twene bata ho ne be ya do ye because he go fancy it will cost you. Ube hu se nipa no de oye no ena mame ka ju obi a woni nkrofo na mu a nipa no mo yodi o wa ya de wakeka wadwen wayiye na wayiye no woni na da wagya no okeka sansem hu no kire wonyina no na se ade no wa hu sade na oye ni nko yi nipa no wanim keke no kasa wachi odidi watem papa sa nkrofo no wanim keke no kasa wanim keke no be pretend ama nkrofo because of person ade o kan no kra che wa hwe a wo man ba wa hwe a wo man shoe wa hwe a wo mfa nkwa abritire wa hwe a bi o pe no ma wo man phone wa hwe a wo ni piepie se de o ni piepie wa hwe a wo introduce no network no ne ade etie no be kan tro obetwa ntro ate ti o twa ntro kire so abo sa ye mma eti afa ozo na so opia bonte na ono akohu ono ane na fofo o ye wo pa de kire won se madam na we Jimmy san sister na we Jimmy san me di na ti obi say me say adwa wo be je ni kwasasam kwa na wo kun so ofa ni kwa ti o yi na anu kra me kwache na me say wo be je di so chucha pictures bi ene ade na hu a wo so ade pictures no dey chat nkofo tra. So accept the ones who will be bold enough to tell you the truth. Unya dan for kan correct wa sa di pan hold him in high esteem. Don't play with such people. And especially one moment ni nyame yi. Wo be funu kura obeka no kura kire. O pena sam kura. Me I get a lot of banter. Go for frame. I get a lot of backlash and banter bebre. If you accept this one, or do you think everybody accepts it? So why should you come here and be preaching and say, I don't have anything to give you. The Spirit of God is upon me to preach. Hey, Luke 4:18. Was it the Spirit of God is upon me because He has anointed me to preach the gospel to the poor, and He has sent me to heal the brokenhearted, and to preach deliverance to the captive, and to recovery of sight to the blind. It is the human ameya. Mandate onyami sofo onyami difo onyami ni pebia wadwuma ye ba kope so obeye nyame adwuma na ode share won sa enti wo kasa no se nkrofo beje se nkrofo anyi wo de ne se koka no kore sa so na so ya danfo na wo ben wo bia enokore no ne sese wo koka se nipa na obeje atum onyi ntum sese wo ka no kore ne kire na wo ka no kore ne kire nipa no se wo beje atum so obeje eno ye different we no ye ono ne hon konkron entem asam de wo de se wo ye no na wa ye. But don't be coerced into saying, preaching messages be a mwanipa. A manipan and the war. Say ya damfo, say ya sorry them, say ya bushia, say your boss be, say you need be on it, say mother be on it. Can correct it. Na it's me abua. Me pesa utie ni na. Okay. Okay, actually, papa say, on can correct it. No, say any de me huni. De nyame ya kirem ne se wo kwa wo beto ya ka se wo beto a wo bewu ma onko fo ne gu achi ni nyina be nyanka. They will all be scattered on the mountain and they would have to return without you. And why I say wait man kasa kwa we on come ho asem papa bia man kasa kwa we on pemase man kan jo sa kwa we on famenyari man kan jo sa kwa we da bi obeba be ka se unse munyina mu ha munyina se munyina mu hu se de mu share me ho kom papa munyina mu se ade me kwa me wini unse onu kwa ba o se me wini unse onu kwa ba o se ye be mewu we sa tie ne wa pe eno ye ti eno se ohin de nyame de ama me eno na me de ama me pese utie kakra na hu de be koso timpacho nyabotre tie ni nyina be very much attentive. First one nipa bebre raba timpacho mun tie ni na fe you take the atwas
ayemfo ngoma edikan tie duodumie na Syria ne Israel tena ho mfie miensa okon bi ni wontem na fie to so miensa mu Yuda hene Yehoshaphat sane ba Israel hene nchen na Israel hene ka kire ne nko ase munim se Ramoth Gilead boy na yendie ye chi hokum na yanyim firi Syria hene nsam wo bisa Yehoshaphat se woni me beko Ramoth Gilead sa ana na Yehoshaphat bua Israel hene no se me ti se wo me man ti se wo man ma ponko ti se wa ponko na Yehoshaphat ka kire Israel hene se bisa Awurade asɛm ne ɛna Israel hene boaboa adiifoɔ no ano wɔbɛyɛ mmarima 400 na obisa wɔn sɛ menkɔ Ramot Gilead menkɔko anaasɛ menyae na wɔka sɛ forokɔ na Awurade de bɛhyɛ ɔhene nsa ɛna Yehosafat bisa sɛ Awurade diifoɔ biara ni ha bio a yɛbɛbisa ne hɔ adeɛ na Israel hene ka kyerɛ Yehosafat sɛ ɔbarima baako bi da so wɔ hɔ a anka yɛbɛtumi abisa Awurade afiri ne nkyɛn nanso metaa no ɛfiri sɛ ɔnhyɛ me ho nkɔmpa sɛ bɔne nko ɛyɛ Imlaba Mikaia na Yehosafat se ma ɔhene nka saa ɛna Israel hene frɛ Jaseni bi na ɔka sɛ ma Imlaba Mikaia nnuru ha ntɛm na Israel hene ne Yuda hene Yehosafat tete wɔn hennwa so hyehyɛ wɔn ntadeɛ Samaria pon ano mpraeɛ so oni nyinaa hyehyɛ nkɔm wɔn anim Kia ayɛ dadeɛ mmɛi na ɔka sɛ Awurade sie ni yenum na wɔde bɛsum Siriafoɔ de kosi sɛ wɔbɛwie wɔn sɛyɛ na diifoɔ ni nyinaa hyehyɛ nkɔm saa sɛ kɔ Ramot Gilead na kɔdi siadeɛ na Awurade de ahyɛ ɔhene nsa na ɔbɔfo a ɔkɔfrɛ Mikaia no ka kyerɛ no sɛ hwɛ adiifoɔ ni nyinaa de anokorɔ ka asɛmpa kyerɛ ɔhene ma wɔn nsɛm nyɛ sɛ wɔn mu baako deɛ na ka deɛ yɛ na Mikaia ka sɛ Awurade te ase yi deɛ Awurade bɛka kyerɛ me no ɛno na mɛka ɛna ɔbaa ɔhene nkyɛn na ɔhene Mikaia yɛnkɔ Ramot Gilead nkɔko anaasɛ yɛnyae na obua no sɛ kɔ na kɔdi nim na Awurade de ahyɛ ɔhene nsa na ɔhene no bisaa no sɛ ɛmpra hiaa na menka wo ntam sɛ nka me asɛm bi sɛ nokorɛ nko Awurade din mu na ɔse mahu Israel nyinaa sɛ wahwete mmepɔ so sɛ nnwan a wɔnni hwɛfoɔ na Awurade se yenum ni wura wɔn sane nkɔ wɔn afie asomdwie mu na Israel hene ka kyerɛ Yehosafat sɛ manka mankyerɛ wo sɛ ɔnhyɛ me ho nkɔmpa biara na mmom bɔne ɛna ɔka sɛ entitie Awurade asɛm mahunu Awurade sɛ ɔte n'adwa so na ɔsoro asafo nyinaa gyinagyina ne ho ne nifa ne ne benkum na Awurade ka sɛ hwan na afra kɔtɔ wɔ Ramot Gilead na oyi ka sɛ na oyi ka sɛ na honhom bi firi begyina Awurade anim ka sɛ me na mɛdaadaa no na Awurade bisaa no sɛ wode deɛ na ɔse mɛfiri makɔyɛ atorɔ honhom na diifoɔ nyinaa num na ɔka sɛ wobɛdaadaa no na wobɛtumi nso firi kɔ na kɔyɛ saa na afei hwɛ Awurade de honhom torofoɔ ahyɛ wadiifoɔ yi nyinaa na Awurade aka wo ho bɔne ɛna Kenaana ba Sedekia twepini bɛbɔɔ Mikaia sotoro ka sɛ ɛhi na Awurade honhom na mfiri me nkyɛn kɔkasa kyerɛ wo yi na Mikaia se hwɛ da a wobɛfiri pie mu akɔhunta no na wobɛhu ɛna Israel hene ka sɛ kyerɛ Mikaia na fa no kɔ kuro no so hwɛfoɔ Amon ne ɔhene ba Yoas nkyɛn na kɔka sɛ ɔhene sie ni momfa wɔ yi nto ne duadan mu na momma no ahohiahia aduane ni ne ahohiahia nsuo nom kɔsi sɛ mɛba no dwoodwoo na Mikaia ka sɛ wo sane ba dwoodwoo a ɛneɛ na ɛnyɛ Awurade na ɔnam me so kasaeɛ na ɔse mo aman nyinaa muntie na Israel hene ne Yuda hene Yehosafat foro kɔ Ramot Gilead na Israel hene ka kyerɛ Yehosafat sɛ mɛsɛkyerɛ me ho na Israel hene no sakyera ne ho na ɔkɔɔ ɔko no ano nso na Syria hene no ahyɛ ne ntiaseɛ nam a ɔwɔ no so asafo hene 32 no sɛ mo ne akuma anaa ɔkɛseɛ nko gye Israel hene no nko na ntiaseɛ nam so asafo hene no hu Yehosafat no wɔka sɛ ampa Israel hene no nie na ɔmane ne no kɔkoe na Yehosafat tia mu na ntiaseɛ nam so asafo hene no hu sɛ ɛnyɛ Israel hene ne no wɔsane firi n'akyi na ɔbarima bi twee ne tadua mu anibia nasoɔ so na ɔde saa Israel hene no mmɔtoam ne nkataboɔ no ntɛm na wɔka kyerɛ ne teaseɛnam kafoɔ no sɛ da ne wo ho fa me firi ɛdɔm yi mu na mɛpira mu yɛ den da no na wɔkura ɔhene no mu maa no gyinaa teaseɛnam no mu Siriafoɔ no anim a na ɔwu anwummerɛ mu mogya sini gu teaseɛnam no mu na ɔpae fa nsraban no mu owiatɔberɛ sɛ obiara nkɔ ne kurom ne n'asase so na ɔhene no wui na wɔde no baa Samaria na wɔsie ɔhene no Samaria na ɔkɔhohoro teaseɛnam no mu wɔ Samaria tareɛ mu na akraman bɛtafere ne mogya na mmaa sɛ Awurade asɛm a ɔkaeɛ no teɛ no na Ahab ho nsɛm nkaeɛ ne deɛ ɔyɛyɛ nyinaa ne asonsen dan a ɔsiiɛ ne nkura a ɔkyekyereyɛ nyinaa wantwerɛ no Israel ahemfo brɛ so sɛm nwoma no mu na Ahab toa n'agyanom wɔ asamando na ne ba Ahasia bɛyi n'adeɛ ne Ahab afe a ɛtɔ so nan mu
hello hallelujah yegu so a na me sure sɛ sisi a wetie bebree wɔ hen no na wɔ hen yɛ ka kyerɛ ne sɛ ɔbɛkɔ ɔko na yitu no fu ka kyerɛ sɛ mane nko Mekaya ebeka nenso na Mekaya ho yɛ na bufu because of feel sɛ Mekaya ka no kora nkyerɛ and as ɔsɛ Mekaya nhyɛ ne ho nkompapa bia Mekaya sugar coating nsɛm nkyerɛ no Mekaya nyegye ne so nti na wɔmpɛ Mekaya asɛm nti Mekaya baaya nipa osoma no the message come and ka kyerɛ ne sɛ bamocho mepacho ɔhen no na difo atwa de ho hyɛ 400 ni nyina omo nyina de o no akɔbɛ nkrom aka sɛ ɔhen no ɛkɔkɔ na obewi itu so kwa so koka the same thing no so no de nyame bɛka kyerɛ no bɛka na so odu ɔhwɛ sɛ de ɔhen no ne do matwa de ho hyia no de ɔmo kyerɛ ne ade no to gya odu ɔhen sɛ me kɔkɔ na mewi no si wona na kɔ na bewi te hɔ no ɔhen ehu sɛ da bi owura we nye saa no kasa yes saa no kasa wo kan sɛm a wo kan sɛm into details on kan sɛm plain saa into da bi wo sɛm bu saa no sɛ kanokora na kyerɛ me nka kyerɛ sɛ bra de betwa me ntro no sɛ ene mehu sɛ wakɔkɔ no na wo bewu efi sɛ mehu sɛ enwan bebre egu bepo so sɛ nyame yi ade kyerɛ wa oyi ne parables but then wo bɛte ase sɛ obi a wote da ya ase bi bɛte ase wo sɛ mehu sɛ egu epepo so a wo mo hwɛ sofo ana nipa odi wa anim no nipa no wayira na ase wo na afi omu nyina nti metie ne bi sɛ ka kyerɛ mo sɛ obi anko ne fie nti ampa omu nyina pai so obi a ekɔ ne fie nti ho ano hen hu sɛ de so pese o kyerɛ me sɛ me kwa mewu ana ɛna osan ka bi no sɛ han me sɛ hu bi mu sɛ nyame ɛne ne dom egu hɔ no na esan nneoma a wayɛ no bɔne abu ti so ne tim nyame busa ne dom no sɛ nyame busa na bɔfo no sɛ mumu han ɛna bɛkɔ akɔdaada wɔ hen Ahab na wɔno akasa akɔ Ramon Gilead akɔku ne ho eti hɔ ɛna ɛsɛ abɔfo no baako ka sɛ wɔno no bɛkɔ eti no kwasɛm ne de adifo yi kan nyinaa ɔbɔfo obi na abɛka saa nsɛm na gu ɔma so ɛna ɔmo nyinaa no akɔ baako na ɔmo nyinaa etwa wɔntro still ɔhen ne sɛ ɛnyɛ no kreda say baby because of person chene say ba ne sen na de nipa bebre yi nyina ka say me wi ni ho kwa de o se mi wi ni e sa de to le bia Ghana e tight to le bia elections be bi wonu e si obi a se papa e be wi ni ba ko pe se papa e wi ni bo hu na dani ada pe twa na nkrofo e di na tem nkrofo be ye ani ade na e to de bi kura individually wo hu bibi o ka kire obi a ba ka say na de na de so na bi ade ko na wo hu wo hin de bia me ka me so hin Hezekiah yes suma Isaiah so nkoka je so nhyɛ ne nsama nsew na wo ba bewu no enye Hezekiah enye Isaiah no Hezekiah no Hezekiah ne bompa yansa na nyame dane no nti no kwase me so bi hu bibi na ɔka kyerɛ wa bibi wa obetima ya perhaps you can atone na adeko no beba fo na so he Ahab na ɔno de ɔyɛ na dwe sɛ de asɛm no kora ya ka no kora yɛ nkwase asɛm nti obekɔ nti ampene pa wo kɔ no so ni nyina so no osuro eti atade ese se ono hye kɔ no hye da ma eyi hye atade no hye da ma Jehoshaphat hye atade no Oma Jehoshaphat share na tade obeye te said ono na ye ohe no e na one no ekoe enti omo koduru ho no mu na ade no omo koduru wonam ho no mu na okọ na commander no enya aka se wa anya yi a so duru ho no mu omo ne obi a nko apart from mo ne omo nko mo bi a apart from a friend say wo hen no if is nipa o person kunu pe o hen so directly say nipa ba ko pe na wo pe no o hen no nti na di ye na ameka ya hu ya nti ya che meka ya kwakoto nti meka ya kan asem no kro kan no kro wie ne nya no ya che ne kotum o hen say ya fa ne kosi kopem so obekọ okono na waba wini a oba na te so ne na bedile enti okọ no enso akọ nyina so na odwen meka ya asem na okatire no enti instead so obehye ne normal ata na ode bekọ no e na o ma Jehoshaphat mum share ono ne de e na ode ko war front no this guy say no he is ordinary person enti omuduro say na commander Syria for army commander no ono de wakachiro mo say they shouldn't kill any other person apart from Ohino because Ohino pe ahabo pe na open kun eti ono kra de ohun say obi hye ahabata de ode ko to bi so no ti o ma on nyina di na chi aye kwako prako pe na se Jehoshaphat wotiam pe no hu say de be nya ono no so mo san mo chi ana ba ko to ne sling no ana fa mu akoka Ohin Ahab ene born ti born pe no tiam se we pranti o mo fa nko ena o mo so no kruche yesi eduru anwumre no na wo eduru anwumre no na wo be bold enough to tell the people whom you claim to love the truth, and you to be bold enough to accept the truth. Love the ones who tell you the truth. Eto de bia na wo wasum ye wo dedodo tinkrofo na wo ho na hu mo se na fofo they are all sycophants. Omo nyina ya bootlickers, omo nyina ya azafo, omo nyina epe bibia anya wo ho utukwa abeto wo chabram omo abeto yi abram obe from so omo medidi wo fie omo ni ska abeto nuane bia komo nti obakora na wo didi ku atam kura na nipa na oboje so na wo so ani abre na wo explain aye obe gye de sama ya depa ani ade ni nyina no so o madam me show kra wo ya de oboa so ube ubia be bold enough obi send me say na what if onkrofo no o ka che omo no munti apacho se wo ka kire obi se obi ye bone na wo ka kire no na se nipa no ontia twe ho firi no ide nyame pacho se obi ye bone na wo ka no kure ne kire no na wa antia ana o ye na dwen se onye no kure na twe ho firi no because why twe ho firi no ho you are as guilty as the one doing that. So be bold enough to say the truth. Be bold enough to tell people the Bible truth. They shield the truth in the Bible. Where obi so ha no she de nim nyame asem. Ba se wonim nyame asem na wonim de nyame asem kafa ade bia ho. Na se nipa no de wo se honkonkon won tete wo. Honkonkon is not a dormant spirit. It is all to mu. He will never be quiet. They told him not to move. They be only wonderful being a wonderful Jimmy. So won't you tell him anything? Anything? Won't you say something? Why are you leaving your friend to feel as though whatever he or she is doing is right? Why are you leaving your friend to feel as though whatever he or she is feeling is right? So say obe prompt you sa. Now so say me ko catch na wan hwe obetan me so onye wadamfo na hwe no wagimi dia Bible say entu kwasiafo na obetan na so entu kwasiafo obetan ye obi ho no ma omen na mo oba na obekeka kwasiasem ono na obeja no ono na won try say you ubeka bibi any ade e won bi wa se mo nim nyansa ba obi a hwe akwo nyansa tell that person the truth obi a hu no say mpa no we correct kaka no kro na kire no obi so ho no ma o catch him immediately. One fa, omo. So as time goes on, obe fast now catch him. Chobu obe kasim bi chem, obe kwa was mama. Last time o kasim bi chem. O ma dream ho. No was asem now kind. No kore. We want straight away say nyame ye na ade. We want straight away say nyame ye na ade. But o ko fa ne say, My friend, I love her too much. My friend, she loves me. She trusts me. And it can be chena. A better said, may you nama. It's any, me the mamma, Oko can cry, we cry by and send me. It is better so become. Then your dances all kind. It is better so become. Then your media dances all kind. What I follow you do what them. Chance I won't change them. I know the baby one, dear man. Because I told you, now who send you my OG or honeymoon. You don't want to say the truth. And so that the truth will always remain the truth. Maybe Chira was some back who a bemo who say, still, what here have all year. Ne bansu by ne background in the rain already 2 years because I'm not by here near my hands and fata. It's to give you a very huge thing. And so you can choose to kill yourself if you want to believe. You want to listen to the truth. Obey me, you could cut short your career. You want conform your stars be on Yami ma woman in dear, Yami Peja woman in a higher heights. Then some Peja drew a children. Now they were thinking said they were themselves gods. It will be uncommon. It be so hard myself said, you plainly oh my Jimmy, we almost ye. Until they live foolishness and to win. A bet cut you short your career. Ubu no nya ware papa. Now so because of say one fana dream mefi. Now who say what church and who sa o muniku o nyehwi o fa nyunyam o nti say o mu obia. Enti ya chire ni enkwase ade sa. E bet cut short the career. I bet cut short in the marriage. I bet cut short position be in your media man. I bet cut short in the life. Uncle Fobi Honma. Nanka first. Nanka wouldn't wish you. Nanka you were better off. See, I was starting to wish you were bravo. Two boys have it. Down. When you moon son, she said, now you decent. First, I know do ya me and now quite sorry. Now would dinner me a woman yamma somebody. We said now you're decent. We said the Sikaka cretting about himself. We said that we were able to even save money to do things. We said no new yam crowd on. Time I won't start here with drugs. Time I won't start wayward behaviors. We said now dinner me even your appearance could even speak for itself. Will be who say we decent. We said see I started doing homeboy. We started as she we start ye masam, we start ye memasam, we start ye a chim prakasiakasi, we start ye jam we start say munyami, we start say mobie, we start say phobia. We said ye to some. That is the word of God. So fanya me sama. Bible says so bema nkwatentin mu wadi ame. Enti nyame God doesn't cut nyame ntobia na so mem. I just say bibi na esi. But he Samson, I mean, no, he was a judge, he was a priest, he was a prophet. I made this hard in the dome. No, we was sad dear, no crowd, dear, what the man of cranny and woe. What the man principles and your man winning money in Trinity. More be a fast kind in Trinity, money here phone, money in your master, a church and your man winning, and your man bear force a five. Then so he didn't do it. He drew baby. One can say, can you go no? But one I can't say, Raddy, my men are tough in your name. It's not some no kind. And they cool, no, can't go. It's so God doesn't cut anybody's life short. That's a wow. If you something has gone wrong, so one can say, Wabrabo it me a top it at some point, then it means something has gone wrong. It should be. But you say, will say, why don't I do it earlier? And I'm 12 midnight because I prophetic. This time is prophetic. A timer, I don't do anything by myself. Nyamia some na meka nyame na me deba. Nyame nkokro. De o kire me se menye na me. 12 midnight. Midnight ni itimi ebubu anuama. 12 midnight. E na obo mpa ye fro. 12 midnight. E na obi pe wa ye wa o tie mu ebeko. 12 midnight. E na obi sori na odi obo sam na e dere na da. E esi. My teaching on the time, no, I'm sure that you were who can add 16, you see a lot of things there, and there are other places too. If you do not understand it, I do it because the time is prophetic. The time was given to me, not by myself, but through God. God bless you, mommy. I love you so much. Okay, I'm going to do something especially on so me send it. I'm breaking this one. Nama send it. Me asa restart another one. Ebe end this one. I hope some more, maybe. Hey. Yes, I did even see me show. Police officer. God bless you, Mommy, for moving with the Holy Spirit to teach and pray with us. Mommy Efia Kofi. God bless you too. Enti say obi anfa nyame asema yeto no
Asaba Yehoshaphat bedi Yuda so hene. Yehoshaphat bedi hene no na wadi mfirinhyia aduasanum. Na odi hene mfirinhyia aduonunum wo Jerusalem
25 years.
Na ne na din de Asuba
Yehoshaphat
a oye Sirhiba. Na ofa naja asakwan nyina so. Wa mane amfiri ho. Na oye de etene awurade ani so. Gisronso mia no na wanyiye. Omano koso bo afodie na wo hye aduhwam sorosoro mia ho. Na asomdwe beda Yehoshaphat ni Israel ne ntem. Na Yehoshaphat ho nsem nkaye ne mani ni a ye udi akon no. Wantwera no Yuda ahemfo breso sem woma no mu. Na mama nyamanfo nkaye a wogya won naja asa namu no. O hye won asifiri asase no so. Na ohene bi ni Edom. Na ohena bedi akire na ohwe akire se Yehoshaphat ye Tarsis ahyense enko Ofel na enko pesika kokko nanso anko efise ahye no boboy wo Esiongeba enum na ahaba Ahasia ka kire Yehoshaphat se mamenko ane wonko a enko ahye no na Yehoshaphat ampene na Yehoshaphat toa n'agya no wo asamando na wosie no kan n'agya no ho n'agya David kurom Yehoram bedi n'ade ahaba Ahasia bedi Israel so hene Samaria
ohe Ahab oye Jezebel ne yere nikun owuye no ba ye fe na Ahasia ne di n'ade Yehoshaphat nso ono so bedi ade ono na no ye Judah for him no no odi ade no wo 35 years Bible says say wodi nyame no kore na won so ntino nyame ma no reign for 25 years and sana wo free wiase nti ono so wuye join nana no monse do nanso ono no oye de tini e wo nyame ani so yes say woni papa bre so no mo som bosom nti na nyame expect say ko be ye abosom me free ho hwema me ka se mi cho ade nyame na ni chi ade nyame chi wade pa eye won a wo som nyame foforo apart from God. It's a be one way because I made me so nyame bia. Nanso now you are following some things which I say we free nyame enase. Nti nyame anye ne bone because wan so abosomfo na ne abosom na ne papa de si ho no went to and free ho. Nti that was God's only problem with the king Jehoshaphat. And so he Bible said odi ni papa no ma ade yi oye adwuma pepepe enti bibia anya odi ade for 25 years enye aduonum enti otimi eson yi na wahi Ahab nso wuye no ankraman tafre ni moja nipa a obedi nade eye ne ba efe na Ahasia ne bedi nade na hazi abedi na de the Bible say wono wani ade ma wanu 5 years impo eno cutting ni rain short said the mu my enemy can earlier no obitimi pagya na so no obitimi cutting ni rain short through aswodin obitimi kosoro obitimi nyame bitimi bless you obi wo kwan bi so obitimi nya kun papa obitimi nya yere papa obitimi kura nya adwuma in ya Ghana hakra ye ministries ne ye friends politics mu obi kura timi be di minister obi wo kura 6 months bani yi na free ho obi wa 2 months no nya problem obi so bitimi adi saa ne de na kwa yi free ne de na kwa yi free ne ni nyina awo nyina so ni nyina wa observe me is true, but telling the truth at all times is not very easy, of course. But the truth will also save life. It's not so bad. It's one share na oba say oh ma peja oh menye kun oh metimi akọ university oh metimi enye adwuma kese oh sisi ade my star oh sisi ade my big. It's not preocupa o peja kakra no na o refi se nyame bi na de wotena o peja kakra na onim se nyame bi ne ma kwan. It's have a preocupa start say wo ye wa brabo basa why you can cut it short. Bible say wo here with the ahini 2 years pe eno wi 2 years pe eno wi na obaye no yese ne papa kwase ade o ye nyina ono so be the same thing 2 years pe na o de hwade ade bi edidi. Be bold enough to tell the people around you the truth. Be bold enough to tell the people around the truth, and be bold enough to also accept and love the people who tell you the truth of face. Ubuha wonpe obi okano because mami we dey me pena sem kra. I say there said ya okasa jejeje me nada o. Na me nkrokro with the truth. The truth will definitely set you free, but the truth hurts. So we can't correct it out pa. Na me kra me any pa me say so me ye bibi na say me ra kra na me kasa na de no kra. Em say de we ma ya. Me nkasa but ye me ya. It is honest. The truth hurts everyone. Nyame asem na ba it hits you. Let me awaya de na free ho prekope. It is obi kasem che na no we de me pena sem kra. Papa we de me pena sem kra. E de na de bi ene say ase ono onim ama. Ene say ase ono no onim nyame asem ama. Ene say ase no onde onim nyame ti onye boneda. I my obi aye boneda. Including me. But I don't live in my own righteousness. I am living in the righteousness of God. And also, Tina, I want to also introduce you to this same righteousness for you to be fulfilled in life. Say, nyame pejawo. Na uhu nyame here. There's always a value in your heart. Who say, obi wakwa wo ye juma, but you are never fulfilled. Who say there's a space. Who say there's something. Wo ye juma. It's okay, and now worry. We are all right, and you mean but you are still not all right. You feel say baby here. There's something missing. There's a missing point somewhere. There's a missing link somewhere. Until you fit in what God purposed you to. Fit, you know. That's when you do. Aha, this is it, and that is how God is. Say nyame epeja. Now we nyame free mo. In your heart, there's always going to be some space. There's always going to be a gap. There's something. Maybe shadam fit right. But I'm depressed. Me come to my worry, and so I'm depressed. Maybe I'm here. I am not all right. I feel there's something. You can't even pinpoint what that thing is. Say nyame. Upejao. Now the this in chair. Ubebreza. It is waba, and that's why you fulfilled. Me pesa utie, no, and crofo a woman person, crofo can call the children, baby omkoye. To both all call names and crofo, but you so, sister, way dear, I like the way you are, Unsroshi, you are powerful, you don't fear who, any idea, ye can fool, would be a throne, ye can for chacha. See.
Ahini Yehoshaphat afia etoso dunsun. Na odi Israel so mfie mienu na oye de ye Awurade ani so bone na ofa n'agya kwan so ne na kwan so ne Nebat ba Yeroboam a oma Israel ye bone no kwan so na ɔsombal na ɔsɔre no na ohuru Awurade Israel Nyankopɔn ho sɛdeɛ n'agya yɛɛ no a ahemfo nwoma ɛtɔ so mmienu ti baako na Ahab gu akyiri no Moab tee Israel so atua na Hasia firi n'abansoro dan a ɛwɔ Samaria no mpoma mu tefee fam na ɔyaree na ɔsoma abɔfoɔ na ɔkɔka kyerɛ wɔn sɛ monkɔkɔ bisa Ekron nyame Basebu sɛ menya yadeɛ yi ho nkwa anaa na Awurade bɔfoɔ ka
yes Ahazia de ɔhen Ahab na owuye no de odi na de no ofiri abansoro so ɛfa ntokua mu tehwe ɛna ne nan mu bu ino prai ɛna yɛde ne kɔto mpa so ɛna wɔsoma a obi sɛ yɛnkɔbusa na abosom no yɛnkɔbusa na abosom no sɛ pra na wapra na wɔda mpam no ne ho bɛtɔ no ana sɛ wobewu ana wɔn nam kwan so wɔn kɔ no ne nyame dan ho nyame ɛka Elijah na boy no Ahazia ne papa apam no a ɔda nwuram ne maame apam no ɔda nwuram Jezebel ɛto ne so ayi a ɔda nwuram ɛna nyame soma no tonko osom ho no omu sɛ ɔmo sɛ enti nyame papa bi ani hɔ no mo sɛ ɔmo kɔbosom so ana enti saa na osom ibu sa asomasi enti nyame papa bi ani hɔ na nso de wode nam saa na nyame papa bi ani hɔ na wo dead career yi wode nam bosom so nyame papa nyame som ya na abui wagya ni bosom so ɛno na nyame som anse yenko Elijah won sɔre na won ko hia nkrofo na wo mo kɔ bosom so no na wo mu so mo senti o mu so hen ne se enti o se onim se odifo papa bi wo onim se nyame wo hɔ no mo betime busa nyame se se o mo be kɔ bosom so ana na esan se o ma sɔre se wo man kɔ nyame bia ho na mo mo kɔ bosom ho nti won kɔ kan kyerɛ wo hen ne se sɛde ya woda hɔ no mane ha no ho mpo nkɔ bosom no so bosom no yankwa ana se onyankwa na nyane nyame so nka kyerɛ ne se wanfo obuo mpo amon no nyame na ɔkɔ bosom hɔ Baal ɛhɔ na ɔkɔ akɔbusa na akɔmfo no hɔ na ɔkɔ akɔbusa ne hyebrim ɛtɔre bi asɛm kakra bi ɛyɛ o sister ekuro kakra tu na no ku kakra ho gyawo won sa kakra ayɛ ɔya wo se ayɛ ɔya 6 months enti prakopɔ de aduro so awo pɛ awo ne sister wa forget nyankopɔn mo waduro contract ko ni impose se beba anya contract na wo pesa wo die ani enu nti waduru bosom na emwa na wo saka contract no na no by chemist ya yesi ekokun no wo bosom bi su ya kun no sie no ehie ne humogya nyina de na okoye biochemist a wako school a oye learned person wa anko ba bia se okoje mmoa se wo ba bia aye bosom no so na okowu ye minimus yi esikafo bebre akọwu abosom so obekọ na abosom no de na hyɛ dan mu na ya de nioma hyɛ na no ɔne de ayi aba hyɛ na no ɛhyehyɛ hɔ ana na nioma tu na nam ne tiri ho na ko nyame ye de na obegye wo ko nyame ho a nyame de na obegye hwɛ aya na nipa ho ye ma ayi times Jesi ati ya bompa ye free ya wutu fie uda wodem in the confines of your home so wodem you comfortable the only thing you are wasting now unfa car mama unfa plane mama nchen enye by force say you bebo afore mama upe na ubo enye by force so betu tight mama upe na ubo woda wodem a mi mo ma soreti ha mi nu nsuo kura nsuo ya san wo ho ya na manum kakra na mam na me bo wane ade a me mo meti ha wo mo mu kura san bo afu sa den na me bo mpaye by this time na ma anye ni day time esu kasani pakuna ko bosom ho na bosom ne ka so ne be da kra ko be pene sani pakuna ko osofu mako bi ho na ka je so na homache 12 no nhia no e wo mpo ano no nkodware na ko be ko sani pakuna ko baby na obi ka so ne be da ansa na waboa no ko be ko Pika chere wo se koyi sika kese fa bre no ka obaye eso ayana Yesu mumu a mwanya na fofo enu ti na ye to na bia nyame hwe odi ni watwa watwene Yesu mu a yenya na fofofo no ye de nyame asem kra ma obi a na nipa se na adenti na ade no kra onye ni data adenti na me de mintimi ntanase e na mintimi ntanase da bi o aha na nya by force no kwasem ewo mu no se aha nya by force aha enya ba wo pese wo gi asem wo pese wo ti na ye hye da fa nko obi adam mu beti ha e na me ye ma ade wo pese wo tie bia betie bi wo tie bia nya by force enso ka ko obusun bi ho ebi free enkra efa ka ko hefa diamond go techima ebi kura ko Togo ne ba ku ye to Togo so am fense Benin ebi ko Nigeria ebi ko Senegal ko je aduro wo da ho dem obi okura me no ka sei wo da ho pa so sei obi wonu kura wo to toilet so na okuta phone e na me menye adwuma wa ha yedum light agisa me koso generator da yedum light enye metia no na wo hye dem sa me so atisa aso me kanya me asama kire wo me se fa no bi se ade nti na ho me kan we aso kopo sonso ne ka chosa bra beda ho no ba ne ese o metna bo som no so 1 week okokotira ho etutwa ne o ma funu gu no so amo bitimi ya motoko treja nan ya na adanko bi ni aka ni nyina abo ho ni edi moja afra ni edi ama no ano nyame ka tino tena wo dem ni enka nyame asem keke ntino na wo pa bompa ye ni bi wo se ade ntina adwo na mde ama the truth wo mu no say nyame asem na me force obi a ewie ye bremu se wa mo wani anya di nyame asem po nya bi sa daytime preaching and confess da bia unya no unya wa sofo na sofo ahe na ya willing kura sa na dwa na so ba begina ho aka nyame asama kire no no wa bompai je mo bia bam what dey make so wo ba nya by vote free ayi ni so wo ba nya by free ha mo ko o peso ti atie nkwen sa eti wo hin hazia osoma se manya nya se wo penyame na emu mo pebosom if it's a bosom na be ne fast enti enko busa bosom na ma na se yare na wa yare ne ho beto no ana se obewu na no na nyame eyi kire Elisha na Bible say na se sore ne shi ankrofo bi wo he na somo mo so mo kobosom ko busa o mo se enti nyame eni ho no mo a o mbehwe nyame ene se o mo kobosom ho na enti ka kire wo he ne se ma na busa mi ame di muaye na ebre no so si kobusa se bebi oda no obenya nkwa na ka kire ne se nyame se obewu onya nkwa bi na wadi ade 2 years pe ti aye asusu ubetimi a celebrate ubetimi a hate 2 years pe obewu ubetimi a hate 2 years pe obewu ubetimi nya warepa 2 years pe ubetimi nya warepa eyi pe ukwa akọ ebetimi ekun ubetimi enya adwuma papa ye be pam ubetimi enya adwuma papa nyame anya wadon kora be chew ade wakotum ubetimi enya baby papa ubetimi political position bi nko an be da ne anim buase hwe na no de bi ono nko anya position e wa ba mu anyame aya na dom na wa ye odi komo wa ne ka mu se na obi record me de menya $1 million kora meja ene ne months mpo ene ye won zone no ne to nyina ato no free agodwa no so hwe ne buase e kan the whole of Ghana ha no asofo bebre ho no ma wo ma yi o mani sabre mu enso se dru sabre na wo so wonye hu se nyame nipa bi na se wonu ka nyame asama so wani nye is about time you be bu nyame kakra and everybody wants to put God in the back burner. Everybody wants to put God at the back kra it your try abosom nyina na anye yansa na akwa we nyame wo hia nyame chense de nyame hia wo nyame hia to be God but wo hia nyame to that is the truth it is wo hia nyame brafom ko ka kire o hin na behwe o twa na ho Fred hey what's there to busa wasi hwan na kan wasi o ye kwana na obi ka kire yen se obi hia ye no se onya ade na ye kobosom so na isa se wo se kobosom so ntino ye me kan che o se nana ubewu wa nana na ye din no gina ho no se Sa nipa na okansa no started some body description. So what the doso bi and the atwa na sen or the aboa nwoma na the atwa na sen and not tidua bi ase. Elijah. The baby says, why not say my men for uku, men ya uku, why not say my men people no, why not say, you know, will be no edda or chia, and I uku found to a bonino, why not catch describing it was maybe I would go, now fuck a second was mammy boy. The same thing. He will be able to get never baby you could see. Never see any pano yankwana. It is umpejana be new by your sustenance. And I said, the baby, I'll bet me at Nas. I could see, I see. That is the most important thing. Ubet me a pejani penny and any bed jabusi. Now, no baby peja or Ghana. When ya himpo, or hit you cry when you're 2 years. Freddy and Okoy. Tina me as me. Dear me one of my day mound. Yamias. Yamias. Bible say a crante no fenu. Icha. Nicha. The wasson. Na wati. Ti we bet me afre. Mami we cry there and me simple. There be better say and me nya ware onim nyoma nkofo fam o ma ware mu on de odwese we nya na ware na ne ho 10 minutes wan na se my mani obi ana wan na se ma obi anfa ne nyonkoto we obi aware mi kwa ware no so fa me to e fa ne ho ben obi abusa ai mami bi na keke kasa o se mami no te sen so mami bi ade bi anu aboduko bi na fa kase ne nim tan bi a de o kasa o ni follow bi a onu po wan na kasa o yesta onye obi o se hwan Jama mame yebua wasi eni no manka sa mame de onim nyansa yenko ne yenko timra me nhyɛ da enim nyansa bia nyansa ne nyina wo bible titi
Tretis bi ni Elia sɛ sɔroforo ko sia Samaria he abɔfo no na bisa wɔn sɛ onyankopɔn bi ni Israel nti
me pese otie ni
ahemfo nwoma ɛtɔ so mienu ti baako na Ahabu akyiri no Moab te Israel so atua na Hasia free na bansoro dan a Samaria no mpoma mu no yare no soma abofo no koka kire won se monkonko bisa ekro nyame Basebu se menya yade mu nko ana na Awurade bofo ka kire Tisbi ni Elia se soroforo ko sia Samaria he abofo no na bisa won se onyankopɔn bi ni Israel nti na moko akobisa ekro nyame Beelzebub ho ade yi ana enti Awurade se empa wafro no umfiri so nsane ewuo na obewuo na Elia koye ena abofo no sane ba ne nkyɛn na obisa won se adan na amosane abai na wɔka kyerɛ no se ɔbarima bi furu behia yɛn na wɔka kyerɛ yɛn se munsane nkɔ ɔhene a ɔsoma mo no nkyɛn kɔ ka kyerɛ no se Awurade sini aso onyame bi ni Israel ntina atuma ekro nyame Beelzebub ho adibisai ye nti empa wafo no umfiri so nsane na wuo na obewuo na obisa won se obarima a ofro ba behia mo na oka mo nsem yi no tesai wo ka kire no se atade a wo hye no ye aboanwi na nwoma boso bonasene na o se eye Tisbi ni Elia na osoma aduonum so safo hene ne na aduonum no kɔ ne nkyɛn na ofro kɔ Elia nkyɛn na hwɛ na ɔte bepɔ no atifi na ɔka kyerɛ no sɛ Nyankopɔn nipa ɔhene se sanebra na Elia bua se aduonum so safo hene no sɛ se Nyankopɔn nipa ne me a ogya mfiri soro nsane mɛhye wo ne waduonum no na ogya firi soro ba bɛhye ɔno ne na aduonum no na ɔsan soma aduonum so safo hene foforo ne na aduonum no kɔ ne nkyɛn na ɔse no sɛ Nyankopɔn nipa sɛ yɛntɛm sanebra na Elia bua se wɔn sɛ se Nyankopɔn nipa ne me a ogya mfiri soro nsane mɛhye wo ne waduonum na Nyankopɔn gya firi soro ba bɛhye ɔno ne na aduonum no na ɔhene soma aduonum so safo hene a ɔtɔ so mmiɛnsa ne hina otoso miensa no foro koi na okokoto ne nankroma anim Elia anim na opa ne kyɛw sɛ Nyankopɔn nipa ma me wonko aduonum yi kra abo nye din wani so
oh
hwe oja firi osoro adura behye akane aduonum so asafo hine baanu no ni won aduonum no
sa
na ene awurade bɔfoɔ ka kyerɛ Elia sɛ ɛne no nsane nkɔ nsuro n'anim na ɔsɔre ne no nsane kɔ ɔhene no nkyɛn na Elia ka kyerɛ ɔhene no sɛ awurade sie nie ɛsan sɛ wasoma bɔfoɔ sɛ wɔnkɔ bisa ɛkron nyame Beelzebub sɛdeɛ onyame bi ni Israel a wɔkɔ bisa no asɛm nti mpa a wafrɔ no na owui sɛ awurade asɛm a Elia kaeɛ no.
Hallelujah. Me sure say we say so wetie ni nyina. I said it. Ami asɛm kan. Me ba mo cho first Kings, second Kings. Ye we first Kings 22 no say first Kings 1. E ho ani gina no. Elijah na Jezebel ata ne so a we free krom akwakotena kro atifi. Na wo shatade won shatade na ode abo anwoma na ode atwa ne mu. E na ode ti onu. Na Ahab wawu na ne ba Ahazia edi na ade na Ahazia so ba bosom sem na ne papa eto aso no ana odi akire no eno ano no so beto aso a besiye nti afa eduru ba bia ohun se wa ofiri na ban soro so yese otehwe fom a obe oyi oda ne mpem ana oso ma se yenkobu ti mo amokọ abisa no nyame achi wade akese sa wokọ abisa wo ha na wade kọ eye kese nyame be ma sa ade kono kura na atimi aye kese mo isa se wanfo obu amanenti nyame be ma de kono se yare keto a ebe da ne yare kese ma sa be ko aka ho e ma wono ma nyina ne wasefo nyina ohaw abam so isa bosom kọ if you said the 10 commandments no was say ensom nyame fufuro bi enka me e ka the 10th commandments no one of these days ye be sua na no so wetimi ate ase enti wamo nam kwa so kire ne say onko musa omukofo ne say omukofo ka kire omo he ne say enti nyame bi ni Israel ombetimi akọ na nimu ana e na omo to ho pe na omo kobosom so e na ni ba bebre Kristofo bebre mo tete asode dem asam ketua bi no adu bosom so asam ketua bi no adu bosom so obi so obeka so onko bosom so enso okoje jinro bi na wa white garment church si na nkrofo odware yomo na okọ asofo meko bi ohun se sofo yi azan osofo bi se bese na me nko dansa hia me wo hotel na me nya yi bi ma hia me wo poano na me nya se bi ma ono aka se ko nyina nyame na ewo ni mu no ka kire nse ba bia wo ko ye den enso obeko enu na nyame bufu ye enti ka kire no wo ka kire ne nkrofo no mu di America ana o msa o machi ko ka kire wo he no to he no ho no se ade na masa machi sesi ase we de mu nuru ho kra ana o se abo nana ye ne nam kwa so aye kwa pe ana papa bi ehia aye isi se jamo yo sofo o mo kwa de no mu nim no sim se jamo yo sofo because Ahab breso ana na Elijah ewo ho ana boy no ne papa breso na Elijah wo ho ena ne papa na wu no no abedi ade so it could be say the Crawford the kinsmen around him no omo ye new and I said they are young men into Elijah into omo say papa bi hia e ena o se nyame say me ye nka nkire wo say esan se wan fa buwa man na wo kobosom so nti empa na wafo no wo nsane no wu a na wo behu ena o se nipa no te sen ena o se papa no what be pokasie bi so dua bi ase ana ode yi bi aboni enwa odwan homa no de ho no se Elijah pay o kai first one ne papa nso mo kai first one ne papa nso suma ka se ye ka se enti nyame bi ni ha no mo ana o se o nyame bi na wo na sa nipa de o nhyem ho kom papa da enti na je se da bia no people know the right people to talk to so they refuse to go to them they mo so catch him say Elijah no mon ko fa namra eno ne nkrofo no je se ne bufu ikura ti bible so osoma na sojafo omo minu akese enti aminu bo ohin no ebo ban kasa omo ya asrafo ma enti aminu ana oyi nipa mako 50 hwe osofo aye ko fa osofo aba ya go for sofo keka aba yi nkrofo 50 e no kira wo say in the spiritual realm so obi ba ba ye wade anya ono kwa na ebo so obi ba ba ye wade a no ba ba ye wade aku a nipa no nya ono kwa na oba wane nkrofo na eba eti wo yi nkrofo 50 na hwe osofo ye go for osofo nkuta tu osofo nkuta ejan enso asojafo a ye kwa akofa sofo e de na ba eye 50 a plus ayi captain ti omo so ya mo ma se mo ko duru ho pe na omo ne omo nyina ateam mo aha nyame nipa sare besin na wo hin Ahazia say yem fa mra sesi a e ho na Elijah say ti mu nim se me nyame nipa se me nyame nipa dia o jam free soro na me se mo na Bible say preko pe na je free soro e na eku hom one down because one army down o he ne say say o twen krofo aba no mbe he omu say krofo no omu nyina ahye no e na Bible say o san suma another battalion omu so number 50 sa 50 men biem e na o san suma omu say omu san o machi no omu so san ko ahonom omu kon na notice ro na o ye pam ye ko peja no fa no mra ahonom eti omu so ono so koduru honom omo so duru ope na omo so tiam omo anfro soro anko not be possible enti omo gina so na omo san tiam nyame ni ba why di no sorry ba saying na wa himfie yeah any Johnson free soro hey this can God do. I never seen his type. Oh, yeah, I mean, you can never compare God to anything or anybody. I mean, we're too much. That's all you need. A deep Pierre, what do one no become a bebem? A same Pierre, what do one no become a bebem? A deep Pierre, what become was in as I was so to say, Bompire. I did this as some now can. So, what did this? I won't doubt here. The Obeka be a hammer. Saying nyame on pesa obeda out you o pesa sam na ho kano kure God do I never seen his type this can God do blessed be his holy name sanya mi we too much o sa command this oh sa wa begina wo nim se me nyame nipa ena so wo tia me sa we nim say me nyame nipa and na the grofo aba be family say me a common criminal we nim say me nyame nipa ka oba na aka say Mr Elijah Mpodia that is where nyame na free na oba wo nyame di na sanso adi animu say nyame nipa nyame say me ma me fa ene oja say me nyame nipa dia nyame fa oja free soro e ma shimu nyina second battalion down e Jeffrey soro ba shi wo nyina we love the ones who will tell you the truth to your face. Jai say holding grofo be twa ho ahia grofo dada. Wo de say be too late. Eso bia refi. Na we know your hin. Na Ahazia. Na we your hin. A nyame aka kire ne say wo ba be kunu. Ba bi oda no ompeja. E de entia. Na nyame bofu. Say wakobo sumso. Na so mami say musa. There was a time also. There was another king. Wono so he Hezekiah wono so da hosa wono so yare za ene nyame suma Isaiah so meka nkire ne se baby oda no won sore. So what did he do? Wono wan kobusum so nyame ka se obekunu no wo butu in the Bible so wo bompa ye ka kire urade se urade me ba wo chew humi mabo me nkume Bible say onipa obebo na mane ne wan koduru po nyame san ta ne nioma around. So it means nyame aso say life and death lies where on the tongue. Owo ene nkwa eda wa wo takrama so. Wo betimi a pray for owo, wo betimi a pray for wo nkwa. Se nyame kura ka se obekun, na se wo butu bo nyame mpa ye so pa nyame chewa. Nyame man so de be chewa easy. Kuno. Nyame suma Jonah, the last time I menemo esua the book of Jonah. Nyame suma Jonah se for say wo ba be finish yo wo be ku hu nyina me boa ama Jonah kra de no se wonko wo dwane pe ba bi ko tete se nyame we e ko kan kron kokun krofo ba dwi se nkom na mbehye o kran nya no kre erade we me nko okose pu mu bible say nyame pagya ne free ayi boat mu ato no twene ya pu mu ama ayi bonsu he was swallowed by a whale nyame whale no swallow no whale no swallow na this can God do. This can God do. I've never seen his type. Oh, hey, this can God do. Blessed be his holy name. Nyami weni huo. Nyami weni huo. Wama bonsu. Emma Jonah lifts. Ye peja Jonah from the belly of the whale. One man lift had the call Niniwe. One for them go baby. Baby, I am a summon and I will Janino. A one and your marble soon come fair at all. Untouched. And no sorry, no cocaine, Yamiasan. Nanya Miss Wobbe Shima. Miss Wobbe Kunkro for woman. That's what cocaine Yamiasam Chira. One more Bible said, what can Yamiasam Chiram? I know what he and Cassa. I can't win in our bones or Mutuno Mompire. The Bible says, "Woman bompaye, woman yina ko edi mwada, woman ye fasting, edi woman ye for epa nyame chew, nyame reverse ade no ka so be yo mo ho, nyame nku obia, nyame nku nipa ba akumpo." So it happened to a whole country. It happened to a whole town. Sansona, nyame krona sansoma nkrofo say yenko Sodom and Gomorrah. And Crawford go through honor, above one go through honor. And Crawford turning on a new leaf be, and almost a sign be, and all man yen yam who some point trab of honor. And can almost spell the ambassador said, the power of your death and your life lies with you. Say ube nyankwa, ejina wo awoso. If you say nyame wa boni penyina wa bibi a wo mo obi abiem. It is a won't see what you say nyame sesa obesesa. We wa you say nyame nku obeku kama. Sana nyame suma abofo se wo mko Sodom and Gomorrah wo mko hye oman ni nyina. Omo koduru hono mo. Enkrofo ne kra ye kwa akoka nyame asem na ai ye ba ba hye omo no. Omo duru hono omo se ye nyi nkrofo na abofo no kra na omo fa omo to. Tie. Ye nyi abofo na omo be ka nyame asem a kire omo no. Ye nyi abofo na omo nim sa omo an na ye ba be ku omo no. Enka omo turning on a new leaf. If the Bible says time abofo na ba Woman for Abraham, ho. Abraham to ebo modia e de fe ti pacho munya nipa 50 amu be say o man o sin kiyen say no munya nipa 40 nka o be say o man o sin kiyen say no o kan ba 30 o sin kiyen say no 20 o sin kiyen say no 10 o sin kiyen say no o ye la show onya 3 la show onya 3 because Lot ene ne mami no no ene ne yire kra kododuru ba bi no dane ne chi wadane ne chi na nyame abufuhia asane dada. It was banned down in the chin or in Jinsi. She turned into a pillar of salt. Besi neck and that's all. So God can tell you so be good. God can decide to close your womb. Bible says, okay, 1 Samuel 1. Now me say now be maybe what's na your friend Elkanah. Now what yiri no me no yiri penny your friend. Hana na woni mu no. Bible say na nyame ato ne yam. Bible said nyame na ato ne yam. It was na ma wan nyina it was nobody's doing. It was God's doing. So on ma Sarah ho. Na society every year bia no mko Shiloh. There was a place on friend Shiloh. Now mko no makosom. Omko kosoma. Na Sarah to them na wo bompa no sere wade say wade me pa chaw. So wo ma me be ya me bo afore. Me say wo bo nyame afore no saman ni o ma ekoso na o kan nsam chaw wade. Akola no kura me ne be chaw. Akola no kura me ne be chaw. Wo kan ya ni ade no. Nyame na wo to no ye mo no. Em pesa me chaw sa so me see. There's nothing too hard for God to do. Me be any one man nyame wonti me nyama. Na emum de omunu se wuyi wani efiri nyame so na ye wadwen se wo konante na te bia nyame de boni mum betua uka na emum ye wadwen se wo be nyame se ne o ma se den nyame besiesie wo na nyame na ato wo ka first Samuel na nyame na ato sam ayi hana yam it Bible say ne kura na ye friend Penina ne kun ne friend Elkanah na ne kura ye friend Penina na ye se ne wa wo esa se wa wo nti de bia na didi na tem no ogro ne ho saa eti bible say maame ni timi su saa na ni ku pata no so ni ku cha dia no mani bebre so still na she was not convinced wono atu anamo wantena say wo tu anamo ko hwehwe nyame ko bo mpaye na wo bo mpaye no bible say na odifo ano wo ho no no na ye fra ne Eli odifo Eli sabe ne ye ho samo no